Hey guys, welcome to the episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken stock in your slow cookers at home. It doesn't take long to throw together. You just let it cook and you'll have perfect chicken stock in a matter of hours. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for uploads on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. And please follow me on social media as well. So I have hot water in my GeekChef Electric Pressure Cooker. I'm going to add plenty of kosher salt. Okay, it's important that you add plenty of salt in the beginning because if you don't, your broth is not going to have a lot of flavor. And then we're going to add some coarse ground black pepper. I should love it. A few simple ingredients: celery, onion, and then I have here some carrots, the chicken back that I saved from one of my chickens, and finally I'm going to add some garlic. Here is some dried thyme. You can use fresh thyme, dried thyme, both works fine. If you want to add a couple of bay leaves to this, you can add some bay leaves to this as well. I don't have any bay leaves in hand, so I'm working with what we got. Still plenty of flavor going on. I'm going to put my glass lid on, and then I'm going to hit the slow cook function, and then I'm going to slow cook this for 12 hours. If you don't want to slow cook this, you can pressure cook this for 3 hours and then let it do a natural release. So this is it's midnight now, so this will be ready about noon. So we'll be back tomorrow. 3 minutes left, guys. I didn't open my slow cooker at all, so see what it looks like in 3 minutes. It's been 12 hours, and I'm going to open the slow cooker. I just want to give it a stir. It smells amazing for sure. So we're gonna strain this. So let's strain it because I want you guys to see what it looks like. I want you guys to see the color. It smells amazing in here. So of course, I tasted. I'm going to add a little bit more salt to this. Not too much, because when you go to use it, you're going to be adding more salt to season everything that's in it. You just want to have a slight flavor where you can taste the salt, but you don't want it to be too salty. Get everything to stir here. And you have perfect chicken stock here that's ready to use. Now typically I would have poured this through a cheesecloth wine strainer, but I don't have a cheesecloth on here. So I'm going to ladle this into my Pyrex here so you guys could get a better shot to see the color. So here is a better shot of the stock. So you guys see it's nice and it's clear. Like I said, I didn't use a cheesecloth. The cheesecloth will help you strain everything completely, all the fine pieces of garlic and herbs and spices that are in the bottom, but it doesn't hurt to have it in there. Okay, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, add it to your playlist, and I really appreciate all of you supporting me. And remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together and love each other.